every morning make a new page of your story. So make it best one. Have a lovely morning to you, sir, and to all my friends. It's Sarika Devai here. I belong at Kamla K and I'm pursuing my graduation from Rajubhaya University. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP Board Allahabad and nowadays I'm pursuing speaking from Global Skills Computer Academy. Today is our activity day and the topic is activity is so marvelous and that is describe some vegetables. So first of all, I want to describe potato, and we all know that potato is very standard dish of the India because I don't think that without potato we can make something because in the India in this era in our Indian food we make a lot of dishes from potatoes, and potatoes also a source of get carbohydrate and fat also, and from potato, potato is also a relief the burn spots also. If you have a burn spot, you are burned from something, so you can smash the potato or grate a potato, and you can keep it on the burn spot, and you can get rapid relief from that too. And the second one is I will describe the tomato. And tomato is a source of vitamin C, and you know what? Tomato is also tomato have a taste. We are including in our vegetables in our dish for only taste. We make something sour or tasty, so we including the tomato in the our vegetables and our dishes, and it give a special taste to the dishes, and without tomato I don't think any vegetable and any dish make best. And you know what, tomato is also get it is also a natural bleach, we can say it. People call natural bleach. Why not? You don't think that many serums and many creams are also related to tomato, because tomato is get your skin glowing, and many times we are make some remedies from the tomatoes and apply on our face, on skin, and it is really very beneficial for our skin. So you should also try, and thank you so much.